Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and before I'll show you how to reset the settings, I just wanted to draw attention to those grid lines. I hope that you can see them. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner in this upper panel. So let's tap on it and then enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Reset and tap on Reset. Nothing happened, at least now and here, but after getting back you can see that the grid lines disappeared from the camera, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.